Hello guys, welcome to Summer to Part. This is Summer. Today's video I'm going to introduce the interior parts. These parts are for Benz W223. It's a new S-Class. So first of all, we can find the products on my desk. They are coming is the dashboard. The dashboard replacement cover, and this is a speaker cover. We can find this is lower sound speaker for front door and rear door, and this is just the cover, and silver smooth, the quality good, and this is the high speaker one. We have both the one with speaker and ambient light and without. We can find the pole station to install this one is on the front door like this way, and we can find this dashboard we make is gloss black like M style. This is for the dashboard. We can find 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 the pieces. So we can find the back side is a bracket you can replacement one, and no need to sticker. The color of the surface, we are going to make the gloss black or carbon fiber or wooden colors as your customized request. So you can check the details by the end of the videos to see our painting, our gloss black shining. And for this one, I need to show you the back side of the products. There is empty one. If you want to go with the ambient light or the speaker, you need to make another extra the speaker or system on this way. So this is the quality we can find. It's very nice and soft. Some bad quality ones in the market, when you touch the surface of the speaker, you will cut your fingers. This is really hard to work. And on the other hand, the Twitter speaker I have showed many times in my videos before. This one is the 4D, the latest new design for S-Class. And we do also make this design for C-Class and C-Class and E-Class. This is upgrade design. So if you have any interest in Benz interior upgrade and the ambient light series for Benz, just feel free to contact some auto parts for more information. We are happy to work with you and support you in your market in nearest future. So thank you very much for your watching, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube